Is it worth contesting a divorce? Deciding whether to contest a divorce can be one of the most challenging and impactful decisions you'll face. Contesting a divorce means there are disagreements over key issues like asset division, child custody, or alimony, requiring the involvement of the court to settle these disputes. It's crucial to weigh the potential emotional and financial tolls before deciding if contesting is the best route for you. Legalities of contesting a divorce in Georgia. In Georgia, a contested divorce occurs when spouses disagree on crucial aspects necessary to finalize the divorce, such as custody arrangements, alimony, or asset division. Unlike uncontested divorces where both parties reach an amicable agreement, contested divorces require a formal legal process. The spouse seeking a divorce must file a complaint outlining their claims and grounds for the divorce. Georgia allows both fault and no-fault grounds. Fault grounds could include adultery, desertion, or cruelty, which can significantly impact the divorce outcome, particularly in terms of custody and alimony. A contested divorce then moves through several stages, starting with filing and serving the divorce papers, followed by a discovery phase where evidence is exchanged. Both parties might be required to attend mediation before heading to trial. A lawyer is essential throughout this process to navigate Georgia's legal requirements, present evidence, and advocate for the best outcome. Local laws and court procedures, specific to Marietta and broader Georgia, govern these proceedings, making it vital to have an attorney who understands these nuances. Is it worth it? Deciding if contesting a divorce is worthwhile depends on several factors, including the complexity of your case. Common reasons people contest a divorce include disputes over the fair division of significant assets, disagreements on child custody or parenting time, and issues surrounding alimony. If one spouse is suspected of hiding assets or is unwilling to negotiate fairly, contesting the divorce becomes a necessary option to ensure equitable treatment. Contesting may also be the only way to protect your parental rights or financial interests when the other party's behavior poses a risk to fair and just outcomes. However, it's also important to recognize the emotional and financial burdens associated with this route. Legal fees, court costs, and extended time off work are just a few expenses that may arise. Consulting with an attorney can provide a clear understanding of the potential benefits and drawbacks, helping you decide if pursuing this path aligns with your goals. The process of contesting a divorce. In a contested divorce, several steps are involved. After filing, the next phase is discovery, where both parties gather evidence, such as financial records or proof relevant to custody. Mediation often follows, where a neutral third party tries to help both sides reach an agreement. If mediation is unsuccessful, the case proceeds to trial, where a judge will decide based on the evidence presented. Throughout this process, an attorney's role is to manage these complex steps, represent your interests, and negotiate on your behalf. Attorneys provide support in understanding the implications of each legal move and help strategize the best approach, whether it's through negotiation or trial advocacy. A knowledgeable law firm will ensure that your case is thoroughly prepared, and your rights are protected at each stage. Factors to consider before contesting. Before deciding to contest, evaluate the financial costs involved, such as attorney fees and court expenses. Consider the emotional toll a contested divorce may have on you and your family, particularly if children are involved. Think about the time commitment, as contested divorces can take months or even years to resolve. Lastly, align your decision with your long-term goals, considering whether the possible outcome is worth the emotional, financial, and time investment. If you are contemplating contesting a divorce and need professional legal guidance, reach out to the Tori White Legal Group. Our team of experienced family law attorneys in Marietta, Georgia, is ready to provide the support you need to make informed decisions and secure the best outcome for your situation. Contact us today at 770-744-1529 or visit us at 274 Washington Avenue Northeast, Marietta, Georgia, 30060. Take the next step with confidence.